Welcome back to Top 10 Amazing Facts. Today we explore the Bill of Rights. Please like, share, and subscribe for more awesome and intriguing Top 10 facts. Over 2 centuries ago, a bold experiment in governance took shape: the United States Constitution. It was a framework for unity, but one piece was missing: the guarantee of individual freedoms. Enter the Bill of Rights. The people demand protection for their rights, freedoms we fought so hard to achieve. These amendments will ensure their liberties against government overreach. On December 15, 1791, the Bill of Rights was ratified. These first 10 amendments became the cornerstone of American democracy. First Amendment: freedom of speech, religion, press, assembly, and petition. Under this amendment, Congress can make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting its free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or press, or the right of the people peacefully to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Second Amendment: the right to bear arms. A well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. Third Amendment: protection from quartering soldiers. No soldier shall, in time of peace, be quartered in any house without the consent of the owner, nor in time of war, but in a manner to be prescribed by law. Fourth Amendment: freedom from unreasonable searches and seizures. The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue, but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Fifth Amendment: right to due process and protection against self-incrimination. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime, unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces, or in the militia when in actual service in time of war or public danger. Nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb. Nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. Sixth Amendment: rights to a fair trial. In all criminal prosecutions, the accused shall enjoy the right to a speedy and public trial by an impartial jury of the state and district wherein the crime shall have been committed, which district shall have been previously ascertained by law, and to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation, to be confronted with the witnesses against him, to have compulsory process for obtaining witnesses in his favor, and to have the assistance of counsel for his defense. Seventh Amendment: right to a jury trial in civil cases. In suits at common law, where the value in controversy shall exceed $20, the right of trial by jury shall be preserved, and no fact tried by a jury shall be otherwise re-examined in an I-court of the United States than according to the rules of the common law. Eighth Amendment: protection from cruel and unusual punishment. Excessive bail shall not be required, nor excessive fines imposed, nor cruel and unusual punishments inflicted. Ninth Amendment: recognition of rights beyond those listed. The enumeration in the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage other retained by the people. Tenth Amendment: powers not delegated to the federal government are reserved for the states or the people. The powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution, nor prohibited by it to the states, are reserved to the states respectively, or to the people. The Bill of Rights continues to stand as a testament to the ideals of liberty and justice. It is not just ink on paper, it is the voice of the people. Thank you for watching.